Oh, hello, good morning, everybody. Hello again. BLG back in his kitchen. So, it's been a long time since I've been on here. This is the evening. So, anyways, today back in the kitchen. Hi, I'm BLG. I'm Lefty, and I'm Righty. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Hands On with BLG. It is 6:30 in the morning, and I'm starting to cook supper. So, anyways, what we're making today is chicken fried steak, but we're going to use pork cutlets instead of the steak that's been all minced up, like, chopped up with the thingy, tenderized. We're going to use pork cutlets today. Got them in the microwave. Right there. They're thawing out. Defrost. But what I'm going to make with mine, we're going to do some hash browns. I got a russet potato here, see, that I washed. And we're going to run them down here on this here grater. Yeah, it's a great experience. Not for the potato, just for me. The mama's in bed still. Really, gee, mama. I'm going to grate this down here. Nice and easy like. No big deal. Try not to get my fingers in here. That's a bad thing when you do that. Grate down this tater. Like so. You can tell it's a cheap grater. Nothing fancy about it. That'll do. The rest of this I'm just going to pitch. I don't have any use for it right now. I got plenty of other taters that are actually trying to grow. They got eyes. They can see. So, I want to take these little guys here. Like that. I want to put a little bit of salt and pepper on them. If you like salt and pepper, put some pepper in here. Plenty of pepper. Just like that. Some salt. Just like this. Nothing to it. Not. I'm going to take me some butter here. You can see the butter. I'm going to take probably about a tablespoon and a half of butter. I'm going to jump over here. Favorite place. There we go. Okay, I'm going to come over here. Kick this bad boy on. Light. I'm going to put this on about 8. Pretty much on medium high, I guess you'd say. We're going to smack our butter in the skillet here. Yes, indeed. Watch that melt for me. There's all them tricks and stuff to get your perfect hash browns. Folks know hash browns are perfect. They're all perfect because they're good. So here we are, melting our butter down. I want to grab a spatula. Right out there. That's nice. Can you see that? It trapped itself under the stove. Let's fish it back out. Went in between the fucking burners. Did it again. There we go. Melting down our butter. Coat the pan with our butter. If you wanted to get fancy, you could clarify it. No. There we go. I got my hashy brownies here like this. I'm going to squish on them like that. I'm going to smack them in the pan. Close enough. They might even fall apart. I don't care. They're still going to be delicious. Nutritious and delicious. And you notice I left the skin on? Yes. Leave the skin on, folks. That's where the good stuff is. Skin. Don't peel them. Put one there. You know what? Screw it. I'm just going to dump them in. I'll lump this one together a little bit. Like that. Then I'm just going to put this little phrase in here like that. The stragglers, if you will. And these are just going to brown up here in the skillet. That butter's working around. All up under here. All up under there. Nice. We're going to brown these up and flip them over. Probably take about 6-7 minutes on this side. And I'll turn you back on when we're getting ready to flip them. I'll let you know. Okay, folks, we're back. It's getting a little smoky in here. That's alright. The dingo's freaking out. He wants out. He doesn't want out. He wants out. He doesn't want out. But anyways, I flipped the hash brownies. You can see they're smoking a little bit. I don't know what the mom is doing. She is getting it really loud in here. That's alright though. It's getting smoky. They're not burnt. We're burning. But see, nicely browned. They stayed together. We're going to get them all done up here. And then we're going to probably make the gravy. I got a little trick to show you. For the gravy. But that was about 4 minutes on that one side. I'll probably go 3 on this one. And we'll get these out of the way here. We'll do 3 minutes and we'll be back and make the gravy. As you can see here, hash browns are all done and ready to go. Now, we got this little cheap gravy packet thing. See? Country gravy mix. I can make my own gravy, but I just didn't feel like it. And it says I need a half cup of milk and this thing. I got a little trick. Country gravy turned chicken gravy. This is a chicken bouillon cube, folks. We'll bust this up in here, into the miak. And 1 bouillon cube makes what? That's right, 1 cup of milk. This is a half cup. This will be plenty chickeny for our gravy. Like so. Now, back over here. Damn it. Miak, in here. She said decanter. I don't know why. The mom is up. She just said decanter. I don't know. I'm not sure. She speaks weird language in the morning. Isn't a decanter something you carry like water in or something? Not sure. I'll have to look that one up today. That'll be my word for today. Find out what a decanter is. She pointed and said decanter. No,
you
Mama.
can turn the big
This is a
fan
pot.
off.
Oh, this is a pot. Not a decanter. When I add the packet thing now, it says to put it in now. And what's really cool, you have to tear through the instructions to open the package. That's really good in designing, engineering there on their part. I'm going to put it in this here decanter that Mama called it. I call it a sauce pot, saucepan. You may call it something or other. Don't know. Okay, now I got this in here. Give me a spoon. Fork, spoon. Ooh, better yet. Watch this trick. Come on, where are you, you little bastard? I know you're somewhere. There's the medium-sized one. There's the giant one. If you look in the wrong spot, there's the little one. I think I had one smaller than that. There's the other little one. If you look where it doesn't belong, that's where you find it. There we go. Now we bring this already up to a boil. Bring it way down to a simmer, it says. I'm going to stir the hell out of this until it gets all smooth. Smooth gravy. Country gravy. Some people make chicken gravy, so I modified and made country chicken gravy. Now, wring that chicken out. It's the best part, the way to get gravy. Wring out a chicken. Stir this around and around and around, get it all smooth. And there we go. We have our hash browns done, we have our gravy done. Just like so. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and kick the heat off. It don't need to simmer any longer than that. Good. Okay, folks, we are back. We're back over here on the little peninsula. And we're going to start getting these ready. Now remember, I'm using like beat out pork chops. So, or pork loin beat out like with a tenderizer thingy. And you would normally be using like chuck steak or something beat out flat, or flat steak or something, skirt steak or something like that. Steak, beef. We're going to do this with pork today. It was on sale at a good price, and I think it'll be good anyway. So basically, it's really easy. No seasoning, just plain white all-purpose flour on a plate. You got your little, see how they're all beat out like that? See that? Yeah, like that. Just run through the tenderizer thingy. Into the flour, like this. Into the flour on that side, like that. We'll take this guy into the flour, same as the other. And into the flour on this side, just like this. Right? It's making a little bit of a mess. That's fine. Same plate these were sitting on, right? Watch this. And we'll bust us an egg. right there. If you're doing more, you'll probably need 2 or 3 eggs. You know, I'm just doing 2 pieces. No big deal. Let me get this here. And I've got a whisk here handy. I'm just going to use the whisk again. Bust this up. I'm going to beat this a little bit. Beat that up a little bit like so. There we go. That simple, folks. Toss that in here. Let the dingo outside. Because the dingo wants out. Walk, dingo. Right, so back out of the flour these will go. Shake them off a little bit. They're going to go into the egg. Just like this. Get them all nicely coated up with the egg. Back into the egg like that. Shake them off the excess. Back into the flour. Just like this. Tuck it back over here like this on this side. Back into the flour like this. Kind of poke him down a little bit. Like that. Then that's going to go over here onto this cooling rack right there. That's set up over a cookie sheet. Into the egg. A little bit on this side into the egg. Kind of smear that around a little bit. Right. Get this egg up on in here. Sloop all that off of there. Back to the flour. Press that down into the flour there. Flip him on this side. Boom! Into the flour here. Pack him down like that a little bit. And pick him up. Goes on the cooling rack. These are going to sit. Oh God. That feels weird. These are going to sit for about like 10 minutes or so. And my oil and the deep fryer is coming up to 340 degrees. So I'm going to clean this mess up. And myself. And we'll see you back here about 10 minutes. And when that oil's up to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. See you in a few. Just a little bit here. See you in a few. Alrighty, folks. Lefty here. We're back. Our oil, you can see the little green dot is on. We are up to 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's time to drop these. I'm going to do one at a time. We're just going to take this little puppy here out. We're going to lay him in nice and easy. Just kind of pet him in slow so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Flip him away from you. Give it a shake so it doesn't stick. And there you go. That's going to fry. It'll start floating when it gets done. And the bubbles will slow down. And that's going to sit there and it's going to fry till it's nice and golden brown on the outside. Nice crust. And then back on the cooling rack it's going to go to cool off and finish dripping. Yeah, see? It's not stuck or nothing. And we just fry them up like that. It's pretty easy, man. Pretty easy. If you don't got a deep fryer, just use a skillet and some oil. You can just fry it on one side. Flip it. Fry it on the other side. Fry them all up. Be done. It's pretty easy. Dingo's barking. I don't know if he's barking because he doesn't bark when he wants in. He just barks. He just sits there when he wants to come in. He just sits and waits. Dingo, slow it down there, son. Frying up some chicken fried steak, but made with pork and stuff instead of beef, but the same effect. Good shit, man. Then I gotta plate this up and get a picture with the gravy and hash browns. One of these bad boys. Yes, it's gonna look cool. So basically, that's all it's gonna do is fry. Probably about, I'd say, I don't know, 6 minutes or so, 6 minutes, something like 6 minutes. 7 minutes. I'll let you know. We'll be right back. I don't want to bore you. Okay, folks. Yep. First one's out. Sitting right there. As you can see, nice and golden brown. Yep. It took probably 5 minutes. Or about 5 minutes. We'll take this guy here. And he goes to the pool next. Back and forth, nice and slow. Kind of pet some of that. Get it kind of pre-cooking. Back and forth, a little slow, nice and slow, and then drop it away. And then shake the basket. I find if you put it right on the basket and then drop it, it sticks to the fucking basket. I don't do that. I just pet them in there. Pet them. Pet that motherfucker in there. Just like that. And that one will go probably about 5 or 6 minutes too. I'm all wet again. BLG, makeup! Probably about 5 or 6 minutes too. So we'll see you back here. That is done in about 5 or 6 minutes. And I'm going to have it plated up, and I'll show you what it looks like all plated up and ready to go. Yeah! Yeah! Hey folks, we are back. We are done with our wonderfulness. And have yourself a look at this. Pork instead of beef, chicken fried steak with chicken gravy and hash browns. Get you a load of that. Look at that deliciousness. It is good shit. That's the good stuff, and you want to make it. It's easy to make it. I've showed you how to make it. If I can make it, you can make it. We can make it. We're going to make it. We're going to make it, man. Adrian! I made it! No, that's I did it. Never mind. That's going to be it for this episode, Hands On with BLG. I hope you liked the episode. Share these videos. Click the little like button. Subscribe if you want. We are up to 70. Dun 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 dun. 2 more subscribers since yesterday afternoon. So thank you, you two. That's awesomeness. And I guess that'll do it for this episode. Hands On with BLG. For Hands On with BLG. For BLG, I am BLG. I am Lefty. I am Righty. We'll see you guys back here in the next exciting episode. Bye. Hands On with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes sirree. Hands On with BLG. Stick around.